Many people think that when they feel tired, they only need more sleep. They go to bed early, they try to sleep longer, and they hope that everything will be better in the morning. But sometimes they wake up and still feel heavy inside. Their body is not very tired, but their mind feels slow, and their heart feels empty. This is a different kind of tired. It is not about sleep. It is about something deeper. This kind of tired often comes from daily life. You wake up, go to work or school, do your tasks, talk to people, and then go home. Every day feels the same. You are busy, but you are not happy. You are doing many things, but you don't feel excited. At night, you lie in bed, but your mind is still full. You think about what you did, what you didn't do, and what you have to do tomorrow. Even if you sleep for many hours, your mind does not rest. So when you wake up, the tired feeling is still there. Sometimes this tired feeling comes from stress. Maybe you have too much work. Maybe you have problems with money, family, or relationships. You try to be strong so you don't talk about it. You keep everything inside. During the day, you smile and act normal, but inside, you feel pressure. This pressure does not go away when you sleep. It stays in your mind and body. That is why sleep alone cannot fix it. There are also times when you feel tired because you don't know what you want. You feel lost. You look at other people, and they seem to know their path. They have goals, plans, and dreams. But you are not sure about your own direction. You try different things, but nothing feels right. This makes you feel confused and tired. It is not a physical tired. It is a feeling that your energy is low because your heart is not clear. Another reason for this kind of tired is emotional pain. Maybe someone hurt you. Maybe a relationship ended. Maybe you lost something important. Even if you don't think about it all the time, the feeling is still there. It stays quietly inside you. During the day, you can forget it for a while, but at night, it comes back. You feel sad without a clear reason. You feel empty. Sleep cannot heal this pain quickly. It needs time and care. Many people try to ignore this kind of tired. They tell themselves, I just need more sleep, or I will feel better tomorrow. But days pass, and the feeling does not change. This is because the problem is not about rest. It is about what is happening inside you. If you don't look at it, it will not go away. So, what can you do when sleeping doesn't fix your tired? First, you need to stop and listen to yourself. Ask simple questions. Why do I feel this way? What is making me feel tired? The answers may not come quickly, but it is important to start asking. When you understand your feelings, you can start to change something. Second, you need to give your mind a different kind of rest. This means not only sleeping, but also taking breaks from stress. You can go for a walk, sit in a quiet place, or listen to soft music. You don't have to do something big. Small moments of calm can help your mind feel lighter. Talking to someone you trust is also very helpful. When you share your thoughts, the pressure becomes smaller. You may feel afraid at first, but you will feel better after you speak. A friend, a family member, or even writing in a journal can help you understand your feelings more clearly. It is also important to look at your daily life. Are you doing things that make you feel alive? Or are you only doing things because you have to? If your life is only about tasks and duties, your heart can become tired. Try to add small things that you enjoy. It can be reading, drawing, cooking, or spending time with people you like. These small things can bring back some energy. Sometimes you need to change something bigger. Maybe your work is too stressful. Maybe your environment is not good for you. Change is not easy, but staying in the same place can make you more tired. You don't have to change everything at once. You can start with small steps. Even a small change can give you a new feeling. You should also be kind to yourself. Many people feel tired because they expect too much from themselves. They want to be perfect. They want to do everything well. When they cannot, they feel disappointed. This makes them more tired. But it is okay to be slow. It is okay to make mistakes. You are human, not a machine. Another important thing is to accept your feelings. Don't try to push them away. If you feel sad, it is okay to feel sad. If you feel lost, it is okay to feel lost. These feelings are part of life. When you accept them, they become easier to manage. When you fight them, they become stronger. There is also a kind of tired that comes from not having meaning. When you don't see a reason for what you are doing, everything feels heavy. You wake up, do your tasks, and go to bed, but you don't feel satisfied. To fix this, you need to find meaning in small things. It does not have to be something big. Helping someone, learning something new, or doing something kind can give your day a purpose. You may also need to take care of your body in a better way. Even though this tired is not only physical, your body still matters. Eating well, drinking enough water, and moving your body can help your mind feel better. When your body feels strong, your mind has more energy too. It is important to understand that this kind of tired does not go away in one day. It takes time. You need to be patient with yourself. Some days will be better, and some days will still feel heavy. That is normal. The key is to keep going step by step. Many people feel this kind of tired at some point in their life. You are not alone. Even people who look happy and successful can feel this way. They also have moments when sleep is not enough. What matters is how you deal with it. Try to notice small improvements. Maybe today you feel a little lighter than yesterday. Maybe you smiled once more. These small changes are important. They show that you are moving forward. Sometimes doing nothing can also help. You don't always have to be productive. You don't always have to fix everything. Taking time to just be, without pressure, can give your mind a chance to breathe. It is also helpful to limit things that make you more tired. For example, spending too much time on social media can make you compare your life with others. This can make you feel worse. Try to use your time in a way that supports your well-being. If your tired feeling is very strong and lasts for a long time, you may need more help. Talking to a professional can be a good step. There is no shame in asking for help. It shows that you care about yourself. Remember that rest is not only about sleep. Real rest means your body, mind, and heart all feel calm. Sleep can help your body, but your mind and heart need other things too. They need peace, understanding, and care. In the end, sleeping doesn't fix this kind of tired because this tired is not only in your body. It is in your thoughts, your emotions, and your life. To feel better, you need to look deeper, be honest with yourself, and take small steps to change what is not working. One day you will wake up and feel a little different. Not perfect, but lighter. You will feel that something inside you is healing. And that feeling will not come from sleep alone. It will come from the care, the effort, and the understanding you give to yourself. So, if you feel this kind of tired, don't be afraid. Don't think that something is wrong with you. It only means that your mind and your heart need attention. Listen to them. Be patient. Take small steps. And slowly, you will find your energy again.